Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with the Anycubic Kobra 4 combo, and today we are going to go over how to check if your machine needs a firmware update and how to do it OTA. That means over the air, through the internet, using your Wi-Fi right here on the machine. Let's get it over with. Here on your screen, touch the gear icon. You will notice this orange dot over the Device tab. Touch Device. You will notice this orange up arrow next to Printer Information. These are indicators that there is a notification. Press into Printer Information and spot Firmware Version with that orange up arrow. Touch that, and here you will see there is in fact an update and a list of details for what this update address is. Go ahead and touch Update. Go ahead and touch Update again. Leave the printer alone and allow it to do its thing. When the installation completes, you will need to power cycle the machine. Turn it off and turn it back on. After installing firmware on any 3D printer, please consider running a calibration. Touch the hamburger, touch printing, touch calibration, check every box, press start, and step away. Allow your machine to remain untouched while it completes the calibration. When it's done, your printer is ready for use. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.